Okay, we're going to run through this fairly quickly and show you how to post a blog post here in WordPress and give you some pointers on it. So once you log in, actually the screen that we were just at, already got ahead of myself, you go to whatever the domain name is /WP-admin. Again, that's example.com/WP as in whiskey papa -admin. And then that'll redirect you over to some other long thing. But you'll see the screen we were just on, which you'll put your username or email address in there and then your password, and that'll bring you to this screen. So only thing we're going to look at here is post. And so you can add a new post by going here or here. And so we're going to do that. And in this case, we're going to give it a title. And I've already got some things already pre-outlined here just so we can get straight to it. So I'm copying and pasting these over. So choose a good phrase for it. In this case, we're going after the keyword phrase retirement planning Odessa FL. So here you can choose a block. In this case, we're just putting in text, so you can see it just goes straight in there. We're also going to add an image just to add a little bit to this. So down here you can upload one, or in this case we're just going to go to the media library and choose one, and just going to resize it. We're going to change its position, align it to the right, and we're just going to move it up here and put it in somewhere. So that's just to break it up a little bit so that people are, it's not just one big block of text. It's always good to add images. It's also an SEO factor because you can go in and name the image, the file name, the title of the image, the alt name as well, are all important parts of the image. That'll be, let me know on that, and we'll create a separate video on that. But focus key phrase, retirement planning Odessa FL. So that's what we're going after. It's also what we named it as the title up at the top. I'll always go down here too and just click on this, and the plugin we have on here automatically puts information here. Always create my own though. So in this case, retirement planning Odessa FL, we went after our same keyword phrase. We got retirement planners. It's a little bit different. You don't want to keyword stuff this, but do something similar. And then the Willis Agency. So that way we tell about what this is as well. The slug will automatically be generated once we hit publish. So only thing left down here is the meta description. So on that, again, I've already got it preloaded like cooking shows. So on here, we've got our meta description on here. Make sure you put what's in it for the person who's visiting. Don't just talk about, hey, we provide the following retirement services, like everybody else does. Actually make it good. I mean, so in this free consultation, learn 7 ways you can travel with the world and spend time with your family, and then a call to action on it. So be creative about that, because that's what gets people to click through and make a decision to come to your site, read your blog post or not. Okay, over here on the right, we have allow comments. We're actually going to take that off on here. The featured image, let's go ahead and put the same image down there because that'll help with our blog. Tags, you can definitely add some tags and everything on here. Maybe we do want to create something like retirement planning on here. And same thing, categories, let me know on it and I can create the categories on the back end. Your permalink, that's actually going to swap over once we publish this. So you can also go in and set this up as a draft and save draft right here. But instead, we're just going to publish it. That's the whole point of this video. So you can see that the slug did go ahead and automatically generate. We're going to view the post over here as well. So we open this up in another tab to be able to look at it. So here's what we have. We just created it that quick. So it's tagged on here. If we had a category here, it would be here as well, but we've got our information just there. So hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, definitely let me know and I'll respond accordingly. Take care. Take care.